Start by grating your boiled potatoes and beetroots. Add cornflour and our first set of spices, turmeric, red chili powder and coriander powder. Now add green chili, cilantro, garam masala and chaat masala for extra flavor. Don't forget the salt. Mix in roasted besan to bind everything together. Let the mixture rest briefly. Shape into tikkis and coat them with rava for extra crunch. Heat oil and start frying the tikkis. Keep turning them for even browning. Remove from heat once they're crispy. Your colorful beetroot tikkis are ready to enjoy. Please like, share and subscribe to P. Bhatt's Kitchen. Take care.